Good morning, third grade. Today we're going to be on our math, third grade math book. So make sure you get out your math book, page 494. Today we're going to be doing lesson 91, okay? Lesson 91. And today we're going to be talking about multiplying three-digit numbers, okay? And this is part number 1. So there will be a part 2 later on. So we're going to be multiplying three-digit numbers here. And so I wrote some examples on the board first, and we'll be doing those first as review. So what is the first thing we do when we multiply our two-digit numbers? Where do we start first? In the what place? That's right, in the ones place, okay? We start in the ones place. So we have 36 times 5, right? So we start in the ones place. So what do we do first? We multiply 5 times 6. So 5 times 6 is what? That's right, 30. And we're going to put the 3 and the 0 where? Yes, 0 on the bottom. Okay. 3 on the top. That is right. Then what do we do next? That's right. We multiply 5 times 3 there. So what is 5 times 3? Good, 15. And then 15 plus, and then we always add the what? The 3 or whatever number is there. So 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 equals, that's right, 18. So our answer is 180. Good job. Now for the next one, we have 620 times 8. Okay? So this one, again, this is a three-digit number, so I'll be showing you a little bit more steps on this. It's still very simple, but it's just one added step at the end, and I'll show you that. So first we start off with multiplying what? What place? That's right, the ones place. So we're going to do 8 times 0, okay, and that is 0, good. And then we do 8 times 2, right, the tens place, the number in the tens place. So 8 times 2 is, good, 16. Are we going to put where are we going to put the 16? Or where are we going to put the numbers? That's right, the 6 goes on the bottom, and the 1 goes on the next place value, right, because we can't do it on that same one. We have to do it over to the next place value, okay? And then we do 8 times 6. Very good. If you said it already, 48. And 48 plus the 1, you cannot forget about adding that top number, whatever that number may be, okay? So 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. Very good. And don't forget your comma. It's every 3 numbers. You go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so very good. 4,960 is our answer. Very good. Now we're going to go to this last one, okay? 400 times 5. Remember, Mrs. Yoka showed you that trick, the easy way to do it, okay? So we're going to do what first two numbers? That's right, 4 times 5. So what's 4 times 5? Good, 20. And then how many zeros are there? There's 2, very good. So we're gonna add 2 zeros. Okay, and our answer is 2,000. Wasn't that so easy? Just a little trick there, okay? Let's go ahead in your math book really quickly and go to example 1, okay? So you can redo concept on your own, but we're going to example 1 right away. It says to find the product of 6 and 300, okay? So we're gonna start in the ones place here, and I wrote down the example. And again, since these are double zeros, we could do it the short way, right, if we want to, or we could do it the long way. But I like the short way. It's a shortcut. I like that. So let's do that. 6 times 3 is, did you say it? Good, 18. Then how many zeros are there? That's right, there are 2 zeros. So we're going to put the 2 zeros there, okay? Super easy. Now we go 1, 2, 3, right? For the comma. Very good. Our last example here. So turn the page. Mr. Yoka's turning the page to example 2. It says to multiply 7 times $250. This multiplication is similar to multiplying a two-digit number, right? First we have to multiply what? The 0 ones times the 7, okay? So what's 7? So the first step is 7 times 0, right? The ones place value. So what's 7 times 0? Very good, 0. Excellent job. And then we multiply what? What next? That's right, we go to the tens place, so we multiply 7 times 5. So what's 7 times 5? Good job, 35, right? So if it's 35, where are we going to put the 35? Okay, good. 5 on the bottom, 3 on the top. Excellent job. Now we're going to do 7 times 2, right? The last digit, the last one is the hundreds. So it goes ones, tens, hundreds, right? So 7 times 2 is 14. Good. 14 plus 3. Good, and that's 17. And don't forget about your comma. Actually, it's not comma because Mrs. Yogish just caught herself. It is money, right? So if it's money, we put the dollar sign. And then it is obviously the change and dollars. So $17.50 is our answer. And that is how you multiply the 3-digit numbers, okay? Super easy. You just go 1, tens, hundreds, okay? One at a time. And if you have to, and at the end, let's go to this one. Back to this one. So at the end, if you have a number on top, you know that's you can't multiply that. You're not supposed to multiply it. You're supposed to add it, right? So we multiply first, then we multiply the tens place, and then we multiply the third place, right, with that number. And then the last, whatever number that is on top, you add it. You don't multiply, okay? Not that step, all right? So practice this at home. Practice your multiplication facts. And you guys have a good day.